What would happen if there would be life on the moon in reality? What would happen if really there would be living animals like stories? If life had existed on the moon from its early stages, it would have had a profound impact on the development and evolution of life on Earth, as well as on our understanding of the universe. Let's explore some possibilities and implications. 1. Lunar evolution. The exact origins of life on the moon would be a subject of speculation, as we don't currently have any evidence to suggest the presence of life there. But if life did exist from the beginning of creation, it likely originated through processes similar to those proposed for the emergence of life on Earth, such as chemical reactions and the formation of organic molecules. But if life on the moon would have evolved under unique conditions, with the absence of Earth's atmosphere and strong gravitational pull, lunar lifeforms might have developed adaptations to survive in low gravity, extreme temperature fluctuations, and high radiation environments. It could have influenced the theory of panspermia, which suggests that life can be transferred from one celestial body to another through comets, meteoroids, or other means. Lunar life could have potentially seeded life on Earth or vice versa, leading to a shared evolutionary history. 2. Human exploration. The presence of life on the moon would have significantly impacted human exploration efforts. The ethical considerations surrounding the presence of indigenous lunar life would have altered our approach to lunar missions and colonization plans. Stringent precautions would need to be taken to prevent contamination and protect both Earth's and the moon's ecosystems. With the discovery of life on the moon, ethical debates would arise regarding the treatment and conservation of lunar organisms. Similar to Earth's biodiversity, efforts to protect the moon's unique life forms and their habitats would become crucial, preventing the inadvertent destruction of a potentially invaluable ecosystem. 3. Scientific discoveries. Life on the moon would have followed its own evolutionary path, distinct from Earth. Due to the absence of large bodies of water, the development of complex aquatic life forms may have been limited. Instead, the moon's life forms would likely be adapted to the lunar surface, potentially resembling extremophiles found on Earth that thrive in extreme environments like deserts or deep sea hydrothermal vents. The study of lunar life would provide valuable insights into the origins and evolution of life itself. Comparative analysis of lunar organisms with their Earth counterparts would help scientists understand the fundamental principles and requirements for life to emerge and adapt in different environments. 4. Astrobiology and space exploration. The lunar biosphere would consist of a variety of organisms, ranging from simple single-celled organisms to more complex multicellular life forms. Photosynthetic organisms, possibly using different pigments and energy sources compared to Earth, might have evolved to harness the limited sunlight available on the moon's surface. The existence of life on the moon would revolutionize our understanding of astrobiology, the study of life beyond Earth. It would bolster the belief that life can exist in extreme environments throughout the universe, expanding the potentially habitable zones beyond Earth. The existence of life on the moon would raise intriguing questions about the panspermia hypothesis, which suggests that life could be transferred between celestial bodies through asteroids or other means. It would fuel the curiosity to investigate whether life on the moon shared a common origin with Earth's life, or if it had a separate genesis altogether. 5. Social and philosophical implications. With the discovery of life on the moon, ethical debates would arise regarding the treatment and conservation of lunar organisms. Similar to Earth's biodiversity, efforts to protect the moon's unique life forms and their habitats would become crucial, preventing the inadvertent destruction of a potentially invaluable ecosystem. The discovery of life on the moon would have profound philosophical and societal consequences. It would challenge our perception of life's uniqueness on Earth and our place in the universe. Questions about the origin, distribution, and purpose of life would be reevaluated in light of the moon's living inhabitants. While the notion of life on the moon from the beginning is purely hypothetical, it underscores the interconnectedness of celestial bodies and the far-reaching implications that the existence of life beyond Earth could have for our scientific, philosophical, and ethical perspectives.